Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to quick a very quick review about this Palmpay website called Joiin. So let's get started as we take a very deep look into this AI. So Joiin is a tool that help business like yours. It lets you consolidate all your money numbers in one spot. If you use Zero or a QuickBook, Joiin can connect to them. This means you can easily create a financial report if you have more than one company. Is like called a multi-entity. Joiin makes solid financial report easy for these businesses. You can even make a reporting pack to share with others. So Joiin help you see how was your whole business doing without a lot of flaws. Now talking about the top benefit about this platform come with a different type of benefit, comes with an easy to use. Joiin is designed so that you can understand it. You don't need to be a computer expert to get your finance in order. You can also get a group consolidation and create an accurate pictures together with an accurate pictures, which is an intercompany finances with a powerful features. Now talking about the key features about this platform comes with a different with a cool things that you can do with the features to make your business much more better. So one of these best features is a flexible consolidated plot and a sales and purchase report, which is one of the best features, and a business KPI report and a multi-currency reporting and a budgeting and forecasting. So talking about the pricing plan, we have a different pricing plan on this platform. We have a starter plan, we have a small plan, we have a medium plan, a large plan, and S large plan together with an automated plan. So if you want any of this plan, you can simply get back to the website to check the price list and the special features which are assigned on each and every plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Palmpay website. Thanks.